Hi everyone. Today going Today I am going to show you Karnataka style Pani Puri. This is different from other states. For puri, take 2 cups of rava and 50 grams or 1 small cup of Maida. Mix rava and Maida well. I am using here hot water. Add gradually required hot water, then mix the dough. It should be little bit hot. Later, rava will absorb or enter the water. Mix well. Need 5 to 6 minutes. It will be soft. Then close and keep aside. It will not stick. I will not add any oil or ghee, but it will not stick the vessel. Close and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Meantime, we will prepare the curry. Take a half kg of fresh peas and 1 potato. Cut into small pieces. Peel, then cut it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and cook until soft. When it's soft, stove off. Then keep aside. Take a kadai. Add 4 cloves and half teaspoon of black pepper, 3 Kashmir chilli and only 1 spicy red chilli, 1 teaspoon cumin. Then keep aside and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add cloves, cinnamon, red chilli. Then add 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 2 inch of adrak, ginger and 3 to 4 green chilli. And medium size onions, 5 onions. Then add required salt. I am adding for entire curry here the salt. That's why I put 2 teaspoon of salt. Once transfer to the colored onion, then add 5 medium sized tomatoes and handful of fresh mint and fresh coriander. Mix all the vegetables, then close and cook for until soft. It will take 5 to 6 minutes to soft the tomato. Then cool down totally. Now take a mixie jar and powder the fried masala. This is the Pani Puri special masala. This will give the taste to our Pani Puri. Transfer the powder to any jar and tie it. And add handful of fresh Pudina and fresh coriander handful and 1 inch ginger, only 1 green chilli and a lemon size. I soaked 10 minutes bake this tamarind. Add little water, then grind until soft. Then add a little water, take from mixie jar, entire mixer. Then sieve the mixture. Add 2 cups of water. Then again sieve it. And remove this. Now filtered water is ready. Add required water 1 or 2 cups and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder and Pani Puri masala powder, 1 and a half teaspoon 1 teaspoon jajari and fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon, chopped onion, 1 tablespoon. Mix well, keep aside. Pani is ready. This is very very tasty pani. Check the onion and tomato when it cool down. Then transfer to mixer jar. Add 1 full ladle of potato and green peas and 1 full ladle of water. Grind finely. Then transfer to a kadai. Add 1 cup of water, half cup of water. Add entire green peas and potato with water. It contains already half teaspoon of salt. Then cook until thickens. It will take time 9 to 10 minutes. That's why keep aside in simmer. Now knead the dough 4 to 5 minutes and take a small part, then knead it. It will be easy. I will provide all the ingredients on the description box. Please check it. Then make a small balls, very little small balls. Make all the dough as a small balls. Now close rest of the dough. I will later prepare the dough with puris. Now curry is almost thickens. Now close it and keep aside. Curry is ready. Then sprinkle the maida on small balls. Then apply the maida to all balls. Then only it will not sticky. Make a small puris, very thin puri. Small size and thin size. It's very thin. Then only it will come when we are frying. It will crispy. Make it 10 to 12. Then we will fry this. Heat the oil for deep fry. You can prepare the puris one day and then put into the cover. Then tie it tightly. It will be crispy for 1 week. You can use 1 week those puris. Then another day you can prepare curry and pani. Whatever you are going to do, you can do this with these puris, dahi puri and masala puri. Lot of charts you can make. Then heat well. Keep the stove on high flame. Then add one by one. It will be puffy puri will come outside. Then turn all the puris. Once bubbles stopped, then we can take from oil. My children are waiting for puri, pani puri. I will give these. Then I will prepare rest of the dough later. See the crispy puri at home only we can do. It's very easy. If you want more puris, you prepare one day puri, then another day you can prepare curries. It will be take very less time. Already curry ready and chopped onion and coriander ready. Pani is ready. Then we can serve for children in a bowl curry and another bowl pani. Then hold the puri. Without fail, you can prepare puris. Then put the curry. Add little chopped coriander and onion. Thoda pyaz. Add 1 teaspoon of pani. It's very tasty for children. You can prepare these. If you want spicy, you will prepare like this. Add the curry on entire pani, entire puris. Then add pork, onion and coriander. If you want spicy, add pani puri masala. Sprinkle on top of the puri. Now we add pani, then serve it. It's very easy. Thank you for watching.